WhatsApp media upload quality not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can solve the WhatsApp media upload quality not showing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now on the recent update, how WhatsApp app made it is that if you open up WhatsApp and then you try to send a certain photo in high definitive format, so you just tap on this and then tap the gallery icon and then you select a certain picture that you want to send. It is supposed to show up an HD tab at the very top that will allow you to tap on it and then choose from standard quality to HD quality. But this only works if the photo itself is in an HD quality. If the photo is not in an HD quality, so let me select a certain screenshot, for example here. So I'll select a certain screenshot in this case. If I select a certain screenshot instead of that, this will not show up in HD because the image itself is not in HD. So first of all, you have to make sure that the photo itself is in a very high definitive format and that it will show up the HD option over here. Now in case it doesn't show, even if you took it from the camera app, open your Play Store and then just search for WhatsApp and check if the WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version, because by now everyone across all the regions should have already gotten this feature. So I hope this video helps you as to how you can solve WhatsApp media upload quality not showing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.